You guys are filling up my storage.
Whoa. Back it up. You like it. Legs wide, guys. Look backwards. You guys lay down.
Slow.
Lay down. Put your feet together. Ow. Okay. Put your feet together. Put your feet together. Like this. Put your feet together.
So far.
Oh my.
Come on, don't let go, guys.
It's fast too.
Careful. Don't let go. Don't let go. Even when you're finished, don't let go. Don't let go.
Oh.
Nice job. Don't let go. Okay, you're halfway there. Now you have to stand back up. Okay.
Okay, don't move.
You have to get to the front.
Don't
Don't
move.
let go.
Don't let go.
Don't let go. So it starts back here.
Wait, slow down.
You're moving forward this time. Should be easier.
Come on. He's on my leg. Come on. Hold on, Jake. No. Jake, hold on. Go. Stop. Okay.
What is so funny?
They go like, ooh. I have to close my eyes because it's scary. This is crazy. Okay, stop. Okay, wait. Oh, my arm. Stop. Second standing up. Yeah, we figured that out. Get on your knees. Oh my God! These stupid legs! Oh no! No, stop! Stop! He wasn't standing up. Okay, come on. Eli. Come on, Eli. Got this. Ow! Slow down. Your nails are. Ow! Stop! 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 Oh my God!
Nearly there.
Good? We're good? No.
Almost there, guys.
Extremely awkward.
Go.
Stop, Melanie. Stop.
Good job.
Almost there.
All right, Maddie.
Oh! Whoa! Get your leg